Enhanced views allow you to visualize the data inside your system in a number of ways, where usually data can only be displayed in a list or on a single page. Being able to easily change the way you view data ensures you can find what you're looking for, and even what you didn't know you were looking for. You can create a view for anything in the system. These views consist of lane views that allow you to group data, grid views to list and sort data, graphs to quantify data, and maps to view by location. You can even put these views on your role center so they are immediately accessible and always up to date. Each view has its own benefit. For example, with the lane view, you could display sales orders and group them by their status, showing which ones are open, released, pending approval, etc. You could then select another field to change the grouping, for example, salesperson code, to see the sales orders each salesperson currently has assigned to them. If you also have the enhanced Quick Reports app, you can see your quick reports displayed in an